Sorry? Better? You want to ask some question? What will be? I didn't get it. What will be? See, what I am telling you is, I am writing something there, right? Open-mindedness. Did you get the point for open-mindedness? What is open-mindedness? खुली सोच. आगे वाला कुछ भी अगर आपको बोल रहा है उसको एक्सेप्ट करना. ईगो नहीं बताना. अरे तुम्हारे को क्या मालूम? सो मेरे को मालूम. तुम ग्रेड 4 के ग्रेड 6 वालों को समझाते. ऐसा नहीं है. कभी छोटे से बड़े भी सीखते, कभी बड़ों से छोटे भी सीखते. Should have that. The biggest challenge that I have seen everywhere in any of the community is the same thing. Elderly people don't want to respect the small child. Why? जिंदगी का तजुर्बा है. तुम जिंदगी क्या देखे? Now let me ask you, if you are saying that you have seen the whole life, have you really seen the whole life? You have only seen what you wanted to see. That's it. ये छोटा बच्चा का जिंदगी का ऐसा तजुर्बा सीखा गया था, ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस दे गया था. You will be so amazed. अरे क्या बच्चा बोल दिया. One day I remember I was taking a training program in Karimnagar district. I was talking about this mind, this memory and all. After the session was done, one guy, I asked him the last, do you have any questions to ask? Please raise your hand. One guy sits in the last bench, he raises his hand, sir. One question, if you don't mind. Yeah, never mind, please ask me. Sir, you told about everything about mind and all the dynamics, everything, but you did not elaborate much on what is conscious mind and what is subconscious mind. I was standing in a very long distance, almost the gathering was more than 200 students. I told him, please come to me, better come to me. Then he came very close to me. I asked, in which grade you are studying? Sir, 10th grade. Sir, did I ask any wrong question? Pardon me. I said, you asked a very excellent question. Because that gathering was from grade 8, 9, 10, intermediate first year, second year and degree 3 year students. No one even bothered of asking this question. When I asked others, 80% of people say, sir, we don't know what is conscious and what is subconscious mind. Then I asked him, how did you know about this concept? If I take this training, it will take at least 4 to 5 hours for me to explain only on conscious and subconscious. Sir, these are good. Sir, you will get them. When I asked him for his surprise, how did you get to know about this? What he was saying, you know? Whenever I get some free time, sir, I have a habit of going on internet. He is not having internet at his house. He goes outside. इंटरनेट पे जाके मैं क्या क्या नया था उस वक्त चेक करता हूँ. तो एक दिन मेरे को माइंड क्या समझ में नहीं आया. मैं बोला माइंड तुम्हारा तो बड़े बड़े को समझ में नहीं आता. If I talk about mind, even people who have lived their very big life, they will don't understand difference what is the brain mind. Then he started learning all these things. I understood that this guy is something unique. I told him, you tell me something unique that you are doing in your life. Then he was asking, sir, how do you know that I am doing something unique in my life? I said, जो बच्चे यूनिक होते हैं ऐसे यूनिक सवाल करते. The people who are unique, they ask some unique questions. They don't ask some unique questions. They do something unique in their life. And he told me to my surprise, sir, I am making a robot. What is he doing? And unfortunately, everybody are disappointing him saying, इनके बच्चों को robot बनाने आता है. Engineering करते robot बनाने आता है. Somebody told him. And that thing he has put on his mind. He has taken the label. इनके बच्चों को क्या बनाना था? Then I told him, whoever has told you that only people who have graduated or who have done engineering can make the robot, go and tell them. वो लोग इंजीनियरिंग में आके बताए बना के मैं 10th में बना के रिकॉर्ड बनाते उनके बोलो जाए. I told him, if somebody is coming and telling you that people who are in engineering they are making some records, tell them on their face that even if I am a grade 10 student, I will do this miracle. I will show to the world that I am something unique. When I told these two lines to him, he has removed that sticker with a big smile. अब कौन भी पूछता ना सर ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ. Is someone motivating our students like this in their life? Demotivate करने से, disappoint करने से, जो भी whatever the talent, hidden talent these people have or you have, somebody might have put some label on your face. Yes or no? I don't know how many labels you have. Check. Please check openly.
Lot of labels.
Sorry?
Lot of labels.
Lot of labels. I want you to remove all these labels in today's workshop. Inshallah. With your help and with your support. So let me just point out one last point and then we'll take a short break. We need 3 important things to become successful. What are they? Quickly. What else? Psychology में बोला पर इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. Discipline तो हमारे पास है नहीं. बहुत जरूरी है. ऐसे अफसोस की बात है. कंसंट्रेशन भी हमारा नहीं बनता. मोबाइल को जीने नहीं दे रहे. व्हाट्सएप जीने नहीं दे रहा. फेसबुक तो जीना हराम कर दिया सर. बच्चा बोल रहा था फेसबुक जीना हराम कर दिया सर, कैसा से छुपना मेरे को बोलो आगे। There are people who are coming like this. What else?
Attitude.
एटीट्यूड तो हमारे पास जबरदस्त है एकदम। हैदराबाद में तो एटीट्यूड है, वो इंडिया में नहीं होता। ये सर नो पीस पेशेंस नहीं है, बल्कि हम लोग पेशेंट्स है ना, पेशेंस नहीं है इसलिए पेशेंट बन के तो ना चलते फिरते पेशेंट है हम। व्हाट एल्स? तीन चीजें बोला तो पूरी डिस्टोरी सुना दे रहे हैं, पूरी वोकैबुलरी सुना दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को। कम ऑन क्विकली, व्हाट एल्स?
Education.
जो लिखे वो देख के नहीं बोलना आपसे।
Existence.
दूसरे वहाँ हाइस ने वो नहीं लिखा मैं वहाँ पे लिखे तो क्या करते पार्टिसिपेंट बहुत स्मार्ट रहते, पूरा सब पढ़ते थे, 3-4 बार काम उसमें से चेक कर रहे हैं क्या है, डबल चेक कर रहे हैं, देख ले कुछ आंसर बोलो। मैं आप लोगों से थोड़ा स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं आपको ट्रेनिंग थाउजेंड स्टूडेंट्स पता आ गया किसको क्या समझ में आता है क्या बोल सकते हैं। तीन चीजें अगर आपकी जिंदगी में आ गई, आपकी जिंदगी सक्सेसफुल हो गई, उसको आप याद रखना। एक एब्रिविएशन दे रहा हूं, एक्रोनिम दे रहा हूं, आस्क। क्या है वो? यू कैन मेक ए नोट ऑफ इट, आस्क। You know, I'll tell you some short and small tips when you talk about memory, so that you know you can take these things when you go along the training. This thing will help you really to remember more number of information, lot of information in more time. So like close the door. Okay, welcome back. So, where were we discussing the things about? We discussed about the last.
Attitude, skills, knowledge.
Okay. What else? What else? Any one point from one individual, quickly.
Attitude, skills,
Okay. What else?
Goals.
So this was the last point we were discussing, right? So after having all these things in our life, what is that one thing that if we need to have in our life, if we have it, our life will be very good? What is that one point?
Happiness.
Wow. What is that?
Happiness.
ये बड़े डेंजर है बॉस, जबरदस्त आंसर दे देते। You know what people keep talking about when generally when we ask this thing after having attitude, having skills and knowledge and all, what everybody will say? पैसा होना, क्या होना? Sir, we need money, sir. Ultimately, why? Because people think money है तो सब कुछ है. If you have money, you have everything in life. But you know, these people when they come in the class and workshop and all, they say everything what they want in a life, not for them, for everyone. So the ultimate thing, whatever we want to get in our life, is just because we want to have happiness in our life. No, for us to have happiness in our life, the important thing is, do we have goals in our life? Let me ask you, how many of you have got clear goals in your life? Raise your hands. So, thank you. For those who raised your hands, if you have goals in your life, very good to know. Because these goals will give you a direction in your life and you can take your life to the next level. Now, let me just share you one interesting story here. How many of you heard of this Harvard University? Oh, mashallah, pure Harvard ke hai. Everybody graduated from Harvard. Harvard is okay, fine, thank you. Mashallah. There was a survey done when the batch of these students have graduated from Harvard. They were asked, how many people have goals? It was a survey done in writing, not theory, ऐसा नहीं. How many of you want to become? मतलब हाथ उठा के नहीं. Survey writing में. So the survey says some figure which you can see here. The survey says that 84% of people who have graduated from a Harvard University they don't have any goals, no goals. Only 13% of people have some goals. क्या goals है बोल के मालूम था? क्या है वो नहीं मालूम है. Just a thought that they have some goal. And only 3% of people are having. फिर goals नहीं बोलना. बात goals की जो है. हाँ? They were having clear, defined, written goals. अगर आपके पास खाली गोल्स है बोल के दिमाग आ रहा है तो सुन गोल है नहीं सुबह में शाम में था सुबह में गोल शाम में गोल मेरी जिंदगी में ही गोल है गोल वैसा नहीं है आपका, गोल आपका क्लियरली डिफाइंड रिटन है, then it is going to help you. Because now why I am focusing on goals is our mind talks about the mechanism. If it knows there is something which it can measure, it will follow that. How many of you know this cybernetic mechanism? If I talk about some missiles होता है ना, ballistic missiles. The missiles is programmed with a specific chip, and if it is shot in this direction, the target is in that direction. Do you know how this missile goes? It won't go in this direction. It will be shot in this way. Again, it slowly takes a turn. Exactly, it goes in the direction of the target. Do you know this mechanism? This is called a cybernetic mechanism. Very powerful mechanism. Cybernetic mechanism, very powerful mechanism, because this mechanism was derived from our brain, from our mind only. लोगों को पता नहीं था कैसे कुछ काम करते क्या, मतलब आपका माइंड इतना पावरफुल होना चाहिए. अगर आप खेल रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर प्लेइंग समथिंग, suddenly you get reminded of your goal. I'm wasting my time by playing PUBG. I'm wasting my time playing. कैंडी खेलो ना, एक ही खेल देगा. बोले अगर आपका गोल क्लियर है, आप 4 घंटे गेम खेल रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर प्लेइंग गेम फॉर 4 hours 5 hours, suddenly you have a goal. This mind will remind you of your goal. You stop playing from your any game which is not going to help you. You have to play it, but not for the extent maximum where you are doing everything for it. But to do all these things, the final important thing, the key to success is you have to take some action. What is the key? You have to take some action. खाली मालूम रहेगा अभी तक का knowledge, all these times you are just living in the world of knowing. I know everything. But from now onwards, you have to make a habit of taking action. You have to shift from knowing to don't say knowing to knowing again, okay? You have to shift. And if you become a person who is action oriented, what a person? वो एक्शन को तो ऐसा नहीं करना, मूवी में था एक्शन कट, वो एक्शन नहीं है. एक्शन यू हैव टू एक्ट ऑन व्हाट यू नो. और उसके लिए आपको प्रोग्राम करेंगे हम. व्हाई वी नीड एक्शन? बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी टॉक्स अबाउट ओनली वन थिंग इन द लाइफ. जिंदगी में कोई क्या पूछते हैं हमेशा, मुझे सिर्फ क्या चाहिए? रिजल्ट चाहिए. आप कितने घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, कितने घंटे जॉब कर रहे हैं, आप कितने घंटे आगे कहीं पे क्लास सीख रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं, उससे किसी को मतलब नहीं है. मतलब किसको क्या है? किसी से भी. बेटा आपसे पूछते क्या स्कूल में, टेल मी व्हाट्स योर नेम? मोहम्मद अब्दुल बख्तियार. Did any time your mom or dad questioned you how much time you are studying? Did they ask any time? How much time you are studying in school? How much time you are studying in home? Did they ask you these kind of questions? After asking, what they ask? What they ask? नहीं तो पूछ लेते, कितना भी कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. अब आप ये बोले मामा आई एम स्टडीइंग 6 hours daily. What mama will say? Thank you for knowing that, but what are your results showing? आप कितना एफर्ट करें. अब ये नहीं बोलना सर मैं उतनी दूर से आया, 4 किलोमीटर से आया, मैं बस में लटक के आया, मैं टिकट नहीं तो भी खड़े के आया मैं. ये आप एफर्ट कितना भी कर लिए, आपको मुबारक. यहाँ आया किस मकसद से लिए है, for what intention you have come here? You may be coming from a very long distance. I'm very much grateful to know that. Thankful to you for coming for that. But what have you come for here? Is it just to come to show your presence? होता ना दावत में अक्सर हैदराबाद में कहावत है, नहीं वो शिरकत इसलिए कर लिए हम उनकी दावत में गए तो हमारी दावत में. The reason why I attended his wedding is if I don't go to his wedding, he will not come to my wedding. People start coming to everyone's wedding. बाद में क्या होता, घर में शादी होती है. मैसेज आता हमारे घर में हम शादी कर रहे थे, उधर से मैसेज आता हमारे बच्चे भी हम घर में शादी कर लेते हैं. Nobody will come because उन्होंने भी नहीं है, हम भी नहीं है. So this is what is happening. People talk about only result of effort कितना करें, क्या करें. Nobody is interested to know. Now let me tell you one more thing. What is that one thing that you need in your life? If you are not having that, you are alive but it's of no use. अगर ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ आपकी जिंदगी में आपके पास है, आप जिंदा भी है, अगर वो चीज़ आपके पास नहीं रही तो आपको कोई जीने का कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. What is that? Did you get my question very clearly? Yes? Yes? आंसर क्या है उसका? सब गोल पूरा हो गया। अब थोड़े बच्चे पूछते ब्रेन बोल तो क्या सर, ब्रेन बोल तो भेजा, दिमाग बोल तो अकल, ऐसा हो जाता हो। गोल बोल तो मकसद, मकसद बोल तो गोल। क्या इंटेलिजेंट क्वेश्चंस है सर, व्हाट ए लवली पार्टिसिपेंट I have. That's fine. You may be having that thing with you, you are alive, but you don't know that you are remembering something about you, there is no use. There was a big scientist in US, he was a great scientist. There is no one who can stand in front of him and talk about science. He is really amazing guy with a lot of knowledge. Somehow he got an ego that I know everything. Something went wrong in his mind one day. That's it. That was the day when he woke up for the next day in the morning. When he get up from his bed, he doesn't remember who is he. वो बोलते नहीं, memory loss, complete memory loss हो गया। अल्जाइमर की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ। Even he don't know who is he. Somebody came and wanted to. His waiter came, wanted to give him breakfast. He's looking at food like this. Even he forgot the food है क्या, खाना खाते क्या. If you are alive, be thankful to God that you got some memory. No one asked us how much of memory power. Mobile में पूछते नहीं, how much GB you have in your memory? I have 32 GB plus 64 GB expandable memory. If I ask you how much is your memory? मेमोरी कितनी आपके पास? कितनी मेमोरी आपके पास? He's thinking कैसे की सवाल कर रहे हैं पूरे। फोन की मेमोरी मालूम, पापा की फोन की मेमोरी मालूम, पापा की फोन की मेमोरी नहीं मालूम, मेरी मेमोरी में नहीं मालूम सर। Did you ever thought of how much memory power you have? Did anyone think about it any time in their life? खाली हमारे को फिक्र रहती, फोन लेते पहले पूछते, हाँ एक्सपेंडेबल है ना? हाँ सर एक्सपेंडेबल है, 32 GB से 68 GB है, अभी वो 160 GB भी आएगा, पूरा एक्सपेंडेबल है। Do you know how much of memory power you have? Do you know? You have immense of memory power. No, my question to you, memory क्या है? What is memory all about?
Ability to remember.
Wow, ability to remember things, anything, data, information, whatever it may be. Brain is a faculty where it stores the memory inside. It could be information or it could be data, whatever it may be. The beauty is, the data goes in, stays there for some time. Whenever you want to take it up, it comes out on its own. Okay?
When we take the logical decision,
Okay?
that is mind. And when is something which is having all this type of memory which I mentioned just before, like short-term memory, long-term memory, sensory memory. There's the storehouse I can say.
So you want to say brain is a storehouse? Then what about mind?
Mind is logical, like suppose how to behave in public,
Okay.
how to behave like in social places. You know, there is some logic attached to it.
But if a layman has to understand brain and mind,
He will not.
he will not understand. If I want to make this child understand, what is the brain and mind फर्क है ना? अब ये ना बोलना सर brain हो तो भेजा, mind हो तो अकल. Our is possible, no? One day he told, sir, easy definition. Nobody was saying, sir, brain हो तो भेजा, अच्छा, अकल, mind हो तो अकल, definition मिल गया. बेटा do you know the difference brain and mind difference क्या है? आप तो छोड़िए, जो बड़े-बड़े पढ़े लिखे लोग भी बोलते हैं, वो लोग भी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, ब्रेन क्या है, माइंड क्या है. For your easy understanding, let me just tell you, brain is very simple. It's a physical structure which is there in your skull. आपके जो skull में जो खोपड़ी में आपका brain है, that's it. अब सवाल ये आ जाता है, mind क्या है? Mind is the functional aspect of your brain. Whatever the functionality the brain executes, you call it as mind. And this functionality is executed when you pass this information to the brain through your eyes, through your ears, even with the taste. आप लोग सोच के समझ के जो भी आपके इंफॉर्मेशन को प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, that information is reflected from the mind. Mind is not a physical structure. एक बच्चा खड़े के बोला, सर, I know where is mind. मैं पूछा कहाँ है? सर इधर है. किधर है? माइंड इधर है. कैसा बोल रहे हैं आप? मैं बोला मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ. नहीं होता सर, वो सेंटर में रहता. I don't know how did he get this part, but he says he tried to explore कैसा है क्या है. Then he said इधर है. लेकिन आपके senses जब जाते हैं, I'll tell you the mechanism how it works when we talk about this difference. But try to understand. For example, if I take this laptop has about all the hardware configuration. Yes, this is a brain, for example. But if I don't put any software, will this laptop work? That is what is the beauty. To understand it very easily, remember like brain is like a it's a hardware and mind is like your software. Now if you talk about the brain power, now understand this very easily. This is very beautiful and very important concept. Like if you talk about brain, the brain is made up of some small cells, we call it as neurons or nerve cells. More than 100 millions of neurons are there in your brain. And if you talk about this Einstein, how many have heard of this name Einstein? Thank you. Did you know something miraculous about you?
We have does not have one part of his mind.
Come again.
He did not have one specific part of his mind.
He did not have.
Specific part of his mind.
See, what is he saying? Did you get? Einstein was a scientist, he was not having one specific part of his mind. Does it make any sense? Does it make any meaning? इसलिए बोलते हैं दिमाग के साथ साथ किडनी भी यूज करना. क्या करना? आजकल बोलते ना, हैदराबाद में हम बोलते जरा किडनी भी यूज करो जरा. क्यों मतलब वो जो सोचने का अंदाज है वो एग्जैक्टली नहीं आ रहा है. Einstein was a scientist. Many people say that he has used maximum of his brain. How come? For an example, he is sitting in his lab and he was having his friend's house very close to the lab. But when he walks through this lab to the friend's house, he would never walk just like that. He will take a book like this, he will read the book, go to his friend's house, comes back again. You know what people used to pull his leg? Every time you keep on reading, he has a habit of reading. Reading is a very powerful habit. And I tell you one challenge for this generation. We lost this habit of reading. Honestly tell you. The way how you feel when you hold this paper and read is a total different feeling when you read from a laptop, when you read from your laptop or your mobile or any other device. This is a very powerful habit of holding in your hand because this holding gives a sense of touch, right? And when you read, it gives a different kind of feeling when you read by holding the paper in his hand. He would take this paper and he would read, come back. People used to pull his leg. You have been reading for more than half an hour and all. What have you been reading all this time? He will just give this book to them. Yeah, hold this book. Ask me whatever you want to ask. They'll turn any the page. They'll ask from that page anything. They'll ask the question, they'll answer the question instantly. That is how powerful it was. There is a part in brain we call it cerebrum. It will have more and more foldings on it. So scientists have come to the conclusion, any person who has more and more foldings on the cerebral part of the brain will have high memory power. And I tell you, anyone who has some mental disability, what is mental disability? Part of the brain, because of it, the person will not be able to talk or listen or respond or behave. It is mental disability. Anyone who is having some mental disability, mental challenge, other than that person, anyone has been given very good brain. You know, there was a joke. There was a minister, he was from Japan. He got to know that his brain is not that working very well. कैसे पता चलता ब्रेन काम नहीं कर रहा बोलते?
Not remembering.
ऐसा देखते क्या? How do you get to know your brain is not working?
Not remembering.
Not remembering things. Some common examples. Not having any interest in life.
No goal.
No activeness, no goals, laziness, being a minister. He decided, no, my brain is not working very good. No, I really want to do brain transplantation. What? His cabinet ministers were like shocked. It's a very risky thing. Heart transplantation is okay. Now he says, I don't know, go to hell, whatever you want. I want brain transplant. I want a new brain, a very active brain. Ministers are looking at him. Has he gone bad? They were confirmed. They were so confirmed. No, his brain is not working. Then they had a meeting. Then they decided, because he's a minister, he wants it, that's it. Then it has to be done. Then they decided, okay, fine, let's do one thing. Let's have a meeting with other people. So people from India were called, from US and from China. This guy is from Japan. Then they had a teleconference. You know, friends, our minister wants to have brain transplantation. Can you please suggest which country should we go for? And he said, I want a quality brain. Which brain? Quality brain. They were just thinking, what happened to this fellow? How to transplant his brain? And that to quality brain. Who would give brain? If I give you 10 lakhs, will you give a brain? Because if the brain is removed, the person is died. Then somehow they get to know that some people are about to die. They go and take a request, sir. When you are dying, sir, do something for the community. What should I do, sir? Give me a brain operated, sir. Are you okay? You know this fellow is dying. What do you say? Okay, I'm not okay. Everybody says. You say, what will you give to me? That's a good question. For first Indian, he looks at his property or between him and I don't have anything. Give me at least 50 lakhs. When I go away, my family will be happy. They'll say, okay, I agree. Again, they'll call somebody from China. That fellow, Chang Chi, that fellow comes. Anyway, you're dying now. What do you do? Yeah, nothing. Can you donate your rent? Yeah, okay, fine. He'll ask, what will you do? Okay, 20 lakhs. Bargaining, पैसा करते थे. उसके बाद कौन है लास्ट में? अमेरिका. उसके पास आके बोल रहा है, you are dying now. There is nothing left out of the surface of this earth. Before you go, just give something to this world, and then he said, what can I give? Can you donate your brain and then go away from this bloody world? He said, yeah, this world is very bloody. I don't want my brain. Take it by itself. We'll give you something as a compensation. Bargain करें, कितना करें?
10.
पैसा मारो? क्या ब्रेन लगा रहा था बच्चा? 10 lakhs. अभी कितना होगा देखो? इंडिया 50 लाख, चाइना
20.
यूएस
10.
श्योर. अब तीनों का एग्रीमेंट हो गया पूरा. कंसेंट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. कंसेंट लेगा, सेल के लिए पूरा हो गया. मिनिस्टर के पास आके बोले, सर फाइनली वी हैव डन योर जॉब. कितना टाइम लगा? 1 month लगा. It took 1 month to get to the people, go to the countries. Even they have to search, right? Who is dying? You can't go and ask who is the happy person. They said, take a brain, you think, slap it. So that's what he did. And this minister says, okay, fine. Tell me, what is the quotation you gave? Sir, one thing. People from India quoted 50 lakhs. Okay, fine. From China, 20 lakhs. And from US, 10 lakhs. This guy was like, US, मतलब पैसा का brain? English brain. मतलब एक्टिव रहता है कभी भी. उसकी सोच क्या रहती है? What English people think about? How to make money, how to be prosperous in life, how to do something well in my life. They keep always thinking. This fellow decides, okay, let me go for lowest brain, which is very cheap also. Then the minister comes and say, sir, we have done some analysis of the brain, and the analysis report shows that the brain which is having maximum amount is unused brain. What is unused brain? Indians का brain कभी use ही नहीं होता, sir. You take it is a fresh brain, not used at all in life. But it is costing 50 lakhs, doesn't matter. But it is unused brain. इससे पता क्या चला? हमारे brain को कभी use ही नहीं करते. क्या पता चला? We hardly do we really use our brain? Brain हम कब use करते हैं वहाँ पे? अच्छा खाना कहाँ खाने जाना है? पहली बात पूछो ना.